Okay, now we need to count. We need to count. Count. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
20.
And what number is this? Okay, you need to draw a line.
One line.
Very good. Now we need to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4,
9,
9, 10, 11, 12, 14,
15,
15, 16,
16.
16,
Where's the 16 here? Here, where's the 16? Here, oh.
6. Here comes 6.
No, 16. Oh, where's the 16 here? This one or this one? Where's the 16? This one or this one?
60.
Oh, 16 is...
This is
Oops. 16. Okay. 16. Very good. Okay, we need to count. We need to count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
hey, focus. 11,
11, 12,
13.
13.
Okay, where's the 13 here? Where? Okay, where's the 13? Draw a line.
Like this.
Okay, draw a line like that. Okay, very good. Okay, draw a line. Very good. Very good. Okay, you draw a line. From here to here. 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 Very good. Very good. You did a great job. I give you a star.
The star.
Yes, you're a very good boy. Wow, you have a star.
I want a star.
Yes, you have a star because you're very good. Now, wait, we need to read. Badisi tikang sarumbay A, kakapariho sarumbay B. Oh, we need to draw a line which is the same. So, we need to count. Again, we need to count. From here, we need to count. Hey, pagod ka na? Ay, pagod na ang student. Okay, mamaya naman. Ginapagod na siya.